How to build a simple cake. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel because there are many more videos coming and I wouldn't want you to miss a thing. In this video, I'm showing you how to put together a simple cake. Stack it, fill it, coat it, and then finish it with a drip ganache glaze. A lot of people come to me wanting something simple. I don't really do that, but I want to give you a little something that you can take home with you so you can get it done yourself. So you want to start by baking your cake. I'll put a recipe for vanilla cake because this one is delicious in another video, but start by baking your cake. Let it cool off for enough time. That means that it's completely cool, maybe at least an hour. And then cut your cake, 2 of them, into twos, and then stack them, layering them with buttercream and your filling of choice. I like to start my crumb coating by applying buttercream to the sides of my cake. If you just have buttercream filling, then it's not such a big deal, but all of you who have baked know that if you have something like lemon curd or jam or anything that tends to be more fluid, you want to secure those sides first when crumb coating and then work your way to the top to finish. Here's another tip. Yes, crumb coats are messy. That's the whole point. Get a layer of buttercream on your cake, seal in those crumbs, and the next go around will be much, much better. One trick that I've learned over time is to just pile that buttercream on and let it glide across the cake, trapping those crumbs as you go. Using too little cream will have you spreading crumbs and cream and making a huge, frustrated mess. Don't worry about that excess cream though, because you can just take it off with a bench scraper, as you see here. Then here I'm making this goth like black and gray cake. So I dyed my buttercream. You can dye your buttercream, you can flavor your buttercream. Have a lot of fun. Point is you want to do at least 2 coats of buttercream to get a nice, smooth, silky finish. The first coat is going to be your crumb coat, which means that you're putting a layer of buttercream on just to hold in all of those pesky crumbs and make a neat finish. The second coat is to, like I said, get that neat, clean finish. And so here you're going to see me coating the crumb coat with the outside gray finishing coat. After I've layered that buttercream on, and I've layered it on thick, yes, you've seen that correctly. After I layer it on thick, I'm going to start taking it off layer by layer with my offset spatula and my bench scraper. Those are 2 really important things to have if you're going to be baking at home because it means a clean finish for your cake. Now let me share a recipe with you that I absolutely adore. This is chocolate ganache. It is super duper simple. It could not be easier. Steaming hot cream poured over quality chocolate. The quality of your product will determine the taste of the final product. So make sure that you're getting a high quality chocolate. This is the Karma chocolate that I like, but just get a chocolate that you like. When you're going to be preparing the cream to pour over your chocolate, it's not the hotter the better. Do not have your cream boiling. Just bring it up to a steaming heat. Pour it over the chocolate. I like to let it set for a couple of minutes so that everything can melt and then stir until silky smooth as you see here. Another cool thing is that you can dye this chocolate. So if you want like a dark burgundy or a black as I've made here, you can get oil-based color and dye it for a nice little drip pattern, as you'll see coming up next. By the way, yes, that is my pregnant belly in the shot. This baby is coming quick. All right, now we're going to drizzle that ganache over the cake, smooth it out with an offset spatula, and then let it drip onto the sides. If you don't get enough drip, you can help the drip with a spoon or better yet, a plastic drip bottle, squeeze bottle. And voila, it's super simple. There are more videos coming, but if there's a thing that you would like to make, go ahead and drop a suggestion below for me and I will go ahead and bake for you. Like and subscribe and make sure to ring that bell so you can see more videos coming. Happy baking!